Today we're going to take a look at the navigation panel on the left. This is new for WebView and it changed if you're used to the one that used to appear along the top of the page. So here we are on the home screen, and then we're going to talk through every section and what's included. So next up we have constituents. This includes constituent lists, data health, and duplicate management. Gifts, which includes an overview, gift batch entry, gift lists, receipts, acknowledgements, giving statements, and funds. Communications includes what was formerly known as email marketing, workflow designer, and portal activity. Online giving is where you go to find your NXT online giving donation forms. Portfolio includes Work Center, Prospect Insights, Action Lists, and Opportunity Lists. Events includes that overview of your event summary page. Analysis includes query, standard reports, fundraising dashboards, and dashboard builder. And settings includes tools, control panel, system fields, and tables. And last we have security. Now, if you're confused about where to find something, okay, let me try that again. If you're confused about where to find something, your best course of action is to just start opening up these collapsible menus and to see if you can find what you're looking for. Another thing is when you have this open and it's taking up too much of your screen, you can collapse it down and you'll still be able to access all the things in your navigation.